Gates open, they're up and racing. Morning na, sir. Draws for your lead, moving up East Durango, running by the rail, Golden Money. Ideal View racing in fourth, then running by the rail is Final Impact, Escape Oris, and trailing the group is Iskad Missile as they rounded the last 600. Morning na, sir. This time by about 4 lengths. Durango in second, racing in third, Golden Money. Then down in fourth, Ideal View, Escape Oris, Final Impact, and Iskad Missile as they turn for home. Morning na, sir. This time by about 5 lengths. Golden Money is by the rail, running on the outside. Durango, Ideal View, and down the stretch they come. Morning na, sir, by about 6 lengths, followed now by Ideal View. And finally, from start to finish, Morning na, sir. Ideal View close between Durango and Gold Money. Then comes Iskad Missile, Escape Oris, and Final Impact. Comes